Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing the ColourPop Yes Please palette. I got this really fun look out of it, honestly. So stay tuned. Is it local treasure or is it trash? Keep watching to find out. Okay, ColourPop. Yes, please. What's the tea gonna be? Literally, what caught my eye about this product is that it was $8 at Ulta. So I was like, do I need to buy it? Oh, the box is a little dirty. Hopefully it hasn't been dabbled in. And then maybe there was a reason why it was $8 at Ulta. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this color is scratched. There was no protector. The makeup products are like, yeah, the circles are on the lid. Damn, I wanted to be the person to get this palette a mess, honestly. And then there is no mirror. I like palettes with mirrors, so we are going to be using my Jeffree palette for our mirror today. Hey, Jeffree. Alright, so I do not prime my eyelids. I just don't at all. I always put foundation over it. My regular primer, my eyelids are sticky and they're like ready. So I'm gonna just go back in with my beauty blender and like see it might have creased a little bit. I'm just gonna smooth those out. Alright. And then I don't know what shade I want to use. What shade do I want to use on the Yes Please palette? I'm thinking I'm gonna take my Morphe M504 and I'm gonna dip into, we're gonna do full zip, and then I'm gonna put it in my like brow bone crease area just so I can get a smooth blend. Back in with the full zip. And then for my transition shade, I'm going to use Note to Self. It's a little darker, so that's why I put the nude shade. So far, is she pigmented? Not really. Maybe it's buildable. This is definitely a very like nude tone in the pan. It seems a little more brown. It's good for a transition shade though, obviously. Like my brush is covered. But for $8 on clearance, not bad. I'm like way more interested to see how these colors blend together. little uneven. Much better. And then, I'm wearing yellow, so I don't know. I think we're going to take my Packer brush. Where's that little guy? Where's that little guy? Can't see shit, bitch. Where are you? Okay. My literal Ulta Beauty Packer brush. I mean, could be worse. I'm gonna take Mischief. I'm gonna put some Mischief on the lid. That's a nice, like, yellow shade, honestly. Like, I literally love yellow eyeshadow so much. It's so cute. Is this yellow better than the one in the James Charles palette? Some tea to spill. I'm liking it. It's a really cute look. And then I like, personally, I prefer to do my corner after I have my lid shade on, and I'm just gonna do like a little dabble of GNO. Not too bad. The fallout, none. I actually love that. No fallout. Impressive. I just feel like the colors, some of them are a little bit deceiving. Like the browns are not like super pigmented. They're not like super pigmented, so I mean, if I would have paid full price, I'd probably be a little bit mad about the pigmentation, but I didn't. I mean, we're looking kind of cute. The warm, I love the warm tones with I love the warm tones with like the yellows. Alright, I'm gonna go back on with the yellow a little bit. Get a pretty good blend. Ooh. I'm like actually really liking it. Like, for the most part, the colors are very buildable. And that's like not having the buildable coverage is not a bad thing, because if you just want like a subtle like look, you can get it. Like, I hate those palettes where you're just like, oh, I'm just gonna go for a natural look today, and then you fucking put it on and it's like a streak of like dark shit brown across your eye. It's honestly happened to me. And like, I'm not getting that with this. I'm getting the pigment that I want by just adding more product. I like that shit. So I'm gonna go back in with my flat brush, and I'm gonna highlight. Let's see how these metallics go, because wow, I've used an eye-fold matte. I'm gonna use Butter Cake. I mean, it's the best highlighting color in the palette. Ooh. I like the Butter Cake, honestly. It's so pigmented. Hello, Braboon. And then for the under eye, I'm just gonna take the other side of this brush. I'm gonna do GNO under the eye. Oh, we get a little bit of fallout with the cheap brush. Do that lower lash line. I don't want my lower lash line like too pigmented. Just kidding, yes I do. I'm gonna blend that into like my corner a little. And then we are gonna go back on with the Butter Cake. To get that inner corner highlight. I like how the Butter Cake's like a yellow and not just like a gold. I like how it's like a shimmery metallic yellow color. Yellow's like literally, hello, one of my favorite colors. So it's nice. So I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera, and we'll see what I think. So, like, my honest opinion on the Yes Please palette by ColourPop is I like it. It's cute, it's affordable. I would rather have had it like a protector, like the plastic thing over it, just so this didn't happen, because I want to be the one to destroy my palette, honestly. And then I like the colors. I already have a lot of like I like the colors. I have a lot of like the warm tone palettes already. I don't know why I keep buying more. I just don't. I need to dip into some cool tones. ColourPop, invest in mirrors, please. I love palettes that have mirrors. Even though most of mine don't have mirrors, I still love the palette that has mirrors. Yeah, the full zip was pretty good for like a base or a transition shade. And let's check out the darker shade. Let's check out French Kiss and see how that swatches out. For the most part, it's not like too patchy. Like at the end it gets patchy, but that's like a normal thing. Let's try Spoiled. Slightly patchy, but not like too bad. I literally got this palette for $8, so I don't have any complaints. I probably wouldn't have spent the whole $18 on it, because I like, if I'm going to spend $18 on a palette, I want more colors. That's why I like Morphe. Like, Morphe blends out so nicely, has so many colors, and like for like what, 20 bucks? Can't beat that. Yeah, but one more. I'm honestly loving that orange color though. I wish I would have bought it like around Halloween time. Yeah, so Fallout, it's a little messy for $8. You can't be too picky though. I'm like actually looking forward to trying more ColourPop products to see how those work. So if you would like to see more ColourPop reviews, or if you know of any good products from ColourPop you want me to try out, unbox, review, leave them in the comments down below. And with that being said, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Take a look at my other videos. We'll be having new videos out every Sunday. New videos out every Sunday, so that's exciting. And stay tuned and follow my Twitter and my Instagram for my daily makeup updates. It gets pretty exciting on there. And then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other products that you like that I need to try out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.